Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay updated with our latest tech reviews and unboxings. Today we have something special for you, an unboxing and first look at Migatron's RPS-429AA-40P-IS2 sensor. This is a top-of-the-line ultrasonic sensor that's used in a variety of industrial applications, and we're really excited to check it out today. All right, let's get started with the unboxing. As you can see, the packaging is pretty straightforward. It's a simple, sturdy box with the Migatron logo right on top. So we're gonna open up and see what's inside now. So the first thing that we see is the user manual. This contains all the necessary information you'll need to set up and operate the sensor. Always a good idea to keep this one handy. Next, we have the sensor itself. It's securely packed in an anti-static sleeve to prevent any damage during shipping. And here it is, the Migatron RPS-429AA-40P-IS2 sensor. This sensor is designed for precision and reliability. It has a rugged, industrial-grade construction, which means it can withstand very tough environments. So let's take a closer look at some of the features. This sensor has a detection range of up to 40 inches, which makes it ideal for a variety of applications from automated production lines to level detection. It uses ultrasonic waves to detect objects, providing very accurate and very reliable readings. At the front of it, we have the sensor's transducer, which emits and receives ultrasonic waves. It's designed to be highly sensitive and can detect objects with great precision. And then on the back of the sensor, we have the connection ports for power and data transmission. This sensor supports analog current output, giving you flexibility in how you integrate it into your system. So now let's check out what else we get in the box. Along with the sensor, we get the data sheet, which has all of your specifications of the sensor itself. Next up is the EU declaration. And the certificate of compliance, or COC. And then the user/installation manual, which we already talked about. And that's about everything you need to get started right away. Well, that's it for this unboxing of Migatron's RPS-429AA-40P-IS2 sensor. In our next video, we'll be showing you how to set it up and integrate it into an industrial application, so make sure you stay tuned for that. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tech reviews and unboxings. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.